Hey friends, at times people do not want Windows updates, and this is despite the fact that Microsoft pushes security updates, important security updates, important features, important fixes to existing problems, and a few changes to the system. But there are people who do not want the latest updates. So you cannot prevent them for long, but I'll explain the procedure, whatever is available with us. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. This tab, the last one here. In the right pane, you'll find this option to pause updates. And in the latest version, the 23H2 version of Windows, you can only pause updates for 1 week. Earlier, you had an option for a drop down menu to pause it for 2, 3, or 4 weeks, but now you can pause it for 1 week at maximum. So once I click on this, the updates have been paused till 27th of October, which is 1 week. And if I wish to resume these updates before the intended period, then I can simply click on resume updates. I hope this was easy and this was helpful. If yes, please let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.